Okay. All right, it's two. So I guess we begin. Hi again, everyone. My name is Emel Bonty. I am lead developer for StatGates. I'm also the CEO of the company, and I am looking to make a video game. Not just create a video game, but also I want to own a company. So this isn't really I'm not going into this as a hobbyist as opposed to um, I just want to know what it takes to be a professional and craft my skill and get better and basically make a product that will be pleasing to um, those who are interested. So a little bit of my background is I am a oh boy, I am a I am a part-time student looking to get a degree in computer science. I am just a few credits away from earning my AA. I went to school, went to community college, I should say, at Santa Monica in order to achieve that goal. I first went to Southwest College, which got me interested in programming, and then I decided to graduate via Santa Monica, which I'm still trying to do. I'm an older student. I'm 45. My main goal was storytelling and writing, and I wanted to do it under the medium of books and novels. Then I wanted to be a screenwriter. Then I really fell in love with television, and now I see that uh, for my particular style of storytelling, the thing that interested me most now is games and interactive storytelling, that sort of thing. Um, so I have ideas for not only stories but mechanics, and I'm a bit rusty. It's been a few years since I've been in school for programming, and I decided to try again and uh, see what I can learn at home in the meantime until I feel confident to go back to school and continue getting the degree. But I figured now that I have the new computer up and I have the means to learn a thing or two at home, I might as well just uh, uh, try some of these courses and see how far that gets me. And if I can get further help or if I actually do wind up learning what I need to learn, then I just intend on making my video game. So, um, also, it would be nice to get some sort of support via financially or just word of mouth of interest. Just some sort of directional push just to know that I'm going in the right direction. So I figured, why not, while I am not well known or anything, and I'm not gonna lie, while I'm at my lowest, let me introduce myself here. Uh, I have a day job. Let's just say it is in the delivery service. Um, I work the day shift or graveyard shift, as it were, part time, 5 6 hours, and I am barely able to struggle, and I need to broaden my skill set so I can uh, earn money at a I need a better salary. I need a better life, and I want to earn that life doing something that I love to do, and I love nothing more than video games. So I can ramble a little bit more about myself and things like that, but essentially we are here to. I am here to essentially learn how to make a game. I have gathered together quite a few courses, and I figured I might as well share this experience to anybody that's interested. So if anybody was like, "Where did you learn? Where did you start?" I'm literally starting. This is the starting line. I have uh, very little experience with any game creator, and I have several tutorials for several. So on top of Unity, we might dip into Game Maker and take a look at some of the courses we can take care of there. But for now, we're just going to start with Unity and learn with Unity because I'm really interested in C and C Sharp. And yeah, I want to learn a computer language as well. So this is Unity Learn, and we're going to start at the beginning. Now, I did a test run earlier with my old computer, and that didn't go well at all. So I figured now that I have the new computer and things are working way more smoothly, even though I still seem to be dropping just a mega ton of frames for some reason, and I do not know why. But um, you know what? I'm here, and until I can figure out what that issue is, I gotta try, and hopefully it's not too bad. We're not doing anything super skilled, and it looks pretty good so far. So okay, so let's start. We'll begin with create with code. We'll start with the summary. In this official course from Unity, you will learn to create with code as you program your own exciting projects from scratch in C Sharp. As you iterate with prototypes, tackle programming challenges, complete quizzes, and develop your own personal project, you will transform from an absolute beginner to a capable Unity developer. By the end of the course, if you are completing it through a school program, you will also be ready to put your skills to the test on the Unity Certified User Programmer exam. Most importantly, though, when you complete this course, you will have the confidence that you can create with code. This course makes up a large part of Unity's junior programmer learning pathway. So, switch over to that if you want to earn badges, unlock asset packs, and extend your learning into additional professional skills. 3D assets for this course were generously provided by our partner, um, Synety Studios, and are not for commercial use. If you would like to use any of the 3D assets from this course in commercial projects, please purchase one from the Assets Pack from Synety Studios' Asset Store page. Educators who want to bring this curriculum into their classroom should complete the short teacher training course first. Alright, and here we are getting started, so let's get started. Alright, let's start with the first video, course introduction. Oh, sorry, this isn't the video. This is literally the first part of, yeah, here we go. This is the first video. Welcome.
Welcome to this official course community where you will learn to create with code. My name's Carl, and I'll be your instructor, teaching, guiding, and challenging you every step of the way. I studied computer science and game development and have been helping students create with technology for almost 10 years. And I am so excited to help you learn to code and achieve your goals. So what is the goal of this course? Well, it's pretty straightforward. It's for you to learn to code and create with Unity. That means it's not a history of programming course. It's not a theoretical course. It's a practical course to give you the foundation you need to be able to program whatever you want with Unity. With Unity, you can build applications for mobile like iOS and Android, platforms like Windows and Mac, consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, VR and AR devices like Oculus and Google Cardboard, and a lot more. Think about it. Every app on your phone, every program on your computer, all the technology you interact with on a daily basis was made with code. And if you learn to create with code, you can help to build that technology instead of just using it. I'll be teaching you how to code in C Sharp, one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in the world. So, as you are learning to create with code, you'll be doing so with Unity and C#, both in-demand, industry-standard skill sets. Now let's get into the details. How are you going to learn all of this? Throughout the course, we'll create 5 distinct prototypes together, coding every single line of C# from scratch. In each one of these prototypes, you'll learn critical new concepts, expanding and reinforcing your skill set with each new feature you add. After completing each prototype, I'll present you with a skill testing programming challenge and quiz where you can prove that you're ready to move on. And finally, throughout the course, you will also work on your own personal project that is completely and uniquely your own. You'll have lab time to come up with a design and concept for your project, plan it out, and build it. So by the end of this course, not only will you theoretically know how to create whatever you want with code, you'll have already done it. At the end of this course, you'll also be ready to take on the Unity Certified User Programmer exam. That's Unity's official stamp of approval, certifying that you know what you're doing. In this course, you will combine the knowledge of coding in C# with building in Unity, and in doing so, you will be able to create interactive, dynamic digital experiences. You can use these skills for game development, animation, storytelling, architecture, engineering, you name it. The sky's the limit. So let's start creating.
Okay. First video of the night. Alright. Like I said, I already did these, but we can watch them again. So here's the next video.